Nyhavn Harbor, the heartbeat of Copenhagen. Nestled in the heart of Copenhagen, Denmark, Nyhavn Harbor is a vibrant waterfront district that stands as a testament to the city's rich maritime history, cultural legacy, and contemporary charm. With its iconic rows of brightly colored 17th and 18th century townhouses, cobblestone streets, bustling cafes, and historic wooden ships gently rocking in the harbor, Nyhavn captures both the imagination of tourists and the pride of locals. More than just a picturesque location, Nyhavn is a living symbol of Denmark's evolution from a seafaring nation to a modern cosmopolitan society. Nyhavn, meaning New Harbor in Danish, was constructed between 1670 and 1673 under the reign of King Christian V. The canal was dug by Swedish prisoners of war from the Dano-Swedish War, and it was originally intended to facilitate the transport of goods and people between the harbor and the inner city. For centuries, Nyhavn served as a bustling commercial port where ships from all over the world would dock, unloading goods, passengers, and sailors into the heart of Copenhagen. The transformation of Nyhavn from a gritty dockside district to one of Copenhagen's most charming tourist attractions began in the mid-20th century. As maritime trade routes changed and larger ports were developed, Nyhavn fell into disuse. By the 1960s, the area was largely abandoned, its buildings decaying and its canal stagnant. It wasn't until the 1970s and 1980s that revitalization efforts began to breathe new life into the neighborhood. Locals and city planners worked to restore the historic buildings, clean the canal, and pedestrianize the street along the northern side. In 1982, Nyhavn was officially closed to vehicular traffic, transforming it into a peaceful and walkable promenade.
Container shipping company, worldwide container shipping company. It's a mess. And last year, there's a park there. On top there's a cafe. The big on the side you can see that's a tiny wall. A big fine people park.
Perched on a rock by Copenhagen's harbor, the Little Mermaid gazes longingly toward the sea, a timeless tribute to Hans Christian Andersen's tale and Denmark's enduring maritime spirit. The Dannebrog is Denmark's royal yacht, named after the national flag. Commissioned in 1931, it serves as a royal residence and ceremonial vessel. This is the Copenhagen Opera House. The Circle Bridge in Copenhagen is a striking symbol of modern Danish design. Created by artist Olafur Eliasson, its circular platforms and mast-like poles evoke ships at sea, blending art with function. Spanning the Nyhavn Canal, the bridge invites pedestrians and cyclists to pause and admire the city's blend of innovation, history, and scenic waterways. The Royal Library in Copenhagen, known as the Black Diamond, blends historic knowledge with modern architecture, offering a stunning waterfront space for learning, culture, and literary exploration.
Til personale ved hoffet. Altså vi hører det fra boliger til personale ved hoffet. Også i de her bygninger. Now, the next bridge is absolutely the most low and narrow one. These boats were actually designed to be able to just... Now you can see Christiansborg here to your right with the tower. You can actually go up to the tower. There's a very nice restaurant right there, 106 meters high.
Today, Nyhavn is one of Copenhagen's most visited attractions. The canal is lined with lively cafes, restaurants, and bars that spill out onto the streets during the warmer months, creating a festive atmosphere that is both relaxing and energizing. Traditional Danish smørrebrød, open-faced sandwiches, fresh seafood, and local beer are staples of the harbor's many eateries. Meanwhile, the restored wooden ships moored along the quayside add a touch of historical authenticity, reminding visitors of Nyhavn's maritime roots. Nyhavn is also a central hub for exploring the rest of Copenhagen. It lies near many of the city's major attractions, such as Amalienborg Palace, the Royal Danish Playhouse, and the historic district of Indre By. From the harbor, visitors can board canal tours that weave through Copenhagen's waterways, offering a unique perspective on the city's architecture and urban planning. Despite its popularity with tourists, Nyhavn has retained its authenticity. Local residents still live in the upper floors of the old houses, and the area remains a beloved gathering spot for Copenhageners. Its blend of old-world charm and modern vibrancy makes it a microcosm of Copenhagen itself, rooted in history yet always evolving. Nyhavn Harbor is far more than a scenic postcard image. It is a dynamic cultural landmark that reflects the spirit of Copenhagen. From its origins as a vital maritime hub to its renaissance as a hub of leisure and culture, Nyhavn's story is one of transformation and resilience. For those seeking to understand the soul of Denmark's capital, a stroll down the colorful quays of Nyhavn is an essential experience, where every step tells a story and every view inspires a memory.
Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe. See you on my next adventures.